Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to place all apps button in any position of home screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my Samsung home screen I have one button which is known as the all apps button. So by default this all apps button will remain hidden. So how to enable this all apps button on your Samsung smartphones, I have a dedicated video, so you can check the video tutorial link on the video descriptions on how to enable this all apps button on your Samsung smartphones. And now here if I try to drag it, so you can see I'm unable to place it anywhere. Right now it's fixed. So in order to place this all apps button in any position of your home screen, what you need to do is just open the Galaxy Store and just search for GoodLock. On the first you will see the application, just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and if this GoodLock is not supported on your respective Samsung smartphone, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for FindLock. And the first you will see the application. So you install GoodLock or FindLock, whichever supports your Samsung smartphone, and after that just open the GoodLock or FindLock. Now under the plugins option you will see one home app option, so you need to download and install it. So like before, I have already downloaded and installed this too. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just open it. Now just click on this home screen option, scroll down below. Now you'll see here one option, move apps button, just enable it. Now you can minimize it. Now let me tap and hold on it, and now you can see I'm able to move it and place it wherever I want to place it. So you can see I can place anywhere, wherever I like. So finally we can move this all apps button. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily place all apps button in any position of home screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.